Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off device watermark in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now we have to move to left side and pick the settings to open them, and here at the first place we have watermark option, so let's pick it. Now at the second place we have device watermark, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Let me keep it turned on, and let's move back to camera to take a picture to see how this watermark looks like. Now we have to go to left to the gallery button so we can see our picture with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to it here. And this is how it looks like. Of course, when we don't need it, we have to move back to camera, then right corner options, left side settings, tap to watermark and simply turn it off here. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.